You're watching Caribbean Vibrations, and we're coming to you from downtown Phillipsburg, St. Maarten, and I'm here speaking with Keshia Richards, Notary and Associates. How are you doing today?
I'm good, Alan. Thank you for bringing me on the show today.
It's my pleasure. As you know, this episode is all about buying real estate in St. Maarten. So if you're a foreign national and you want to buy a property here, what is the process?
Well, we would need a couple of documents, Alan, such as proof of address, copy of a passport. Your passport has to be certified, and also source of funds for the buyer. We need to know where the funds are coming from. And for the seller, they would also need to provide a notary client form, which has to be filled in, proof of address, and also a copy of your passport. We also require an appraisal report so that we know what the market value is of the property, and also a sale and purchase agreement stating what the obligations are for each party.
Okay, perfect. So it sounds like you guys help along and speed along the process. So how does a notary help in the purchase process?
First of all, we gather all the information, and then we check to see if the seller is the correct owner by requesting a title search from Cadastre. And once that is free and clear, then we go over to asking for a deposit and starting the process of making up the draft deed to be able to send to the client for review.
So basically from start to finish, you guys are along for the whole process to make sure everything is clean.
Yes. So we start from the due diligence of the client to check to see if everything is kosher. Then we go over to check to see if the property is free and clear, if it's the rightful owner that is selling the property. And also we check to see if there are any other obligations that are required that are mentioned in the previous deed for the property.
Now, Keshia, is there any other services a notary provides?
Yes, Alan, we have different services besides that of transferring of properties, and that is making up of wills, estate planning, and we also legalize documents, and we also legalize copies of passports to make sure that it's the real person that is in front of us.
I really want to thank you for your time, and I appreciate all the information you gave us today.
Thank you, Alan, and thanks for having me.
Our pleasure. So don't forget, if you're looking to purchase a property in St. Maarten, you need a notary, you should definitely call Keshia. And you're watching Caribbean Vibrations.